What's good, good people? It's your man, Fat Daddy. Let me start off as always by saying Daddy loves you no matter what. Come on, family, let's work our way on up. Share, favorite this thing, make a comment, then like. And if you ain't a part of the NATL family, join the Natl family. Family today, Fat Daddy wasn't feeling so good, so we didn't run nowhere. But Fat Daddy ordered him a sandwich from over there to the Subway. Yeah, Fat Daddy done ordered a Subway sandwich. They got something over there they calling the honey barbecue chicken sandwich. Well, Fat Daddy had to send for it. Honey mustard barbecue chicken sandwich. And now we gonna sit here together as a family and see what it's all about. The Subway honey barbecue sandwich. Honey mustard barbecue sandwich from the Subway. Y'all, it's got chicken on it. It got a little honey mustard flavor. Got a little barbecue flavor. Fat Daddy running through the garden, so we got plenty of lettuce and tomatoes and onion. Family, that's a good 6.7 out of 10. You need a sandwich that's going to fill your belly up, and you like the taste of honey mustard barbecue, Subway got what you want. Family, always remember, Daddy knows best. But don't you ever forget, Daddy loves you no matter what.